Good evening everyone. I am Sir Kevin D. Silao, Teacher 1 of Imelda Integrated School. I will be your teleturuan teacher for tonight's episode in Math 6 Module 1 Season 10. At the end of this episode, you are expected to first, calculate the volume of cones. Second, solve word problems about cones. Let us start it with a guessing game. Are you ready? Well, it is as simple as this. I'm going to show you different solid figures and you will state their names. For example, correct. Let us try. That's great. How about this one? Good job. And the last? Correct. Before we go through our lesson for tonight, it would be of great help if we will understand first what cone is and volume. A cone is a solid figure with a circular base. It has a curved surface which tapers to the vertex at the top. The height of the cone is the distance perpendicular from the base to the vertex. On the other hand, volume is the amount of space inside a solid figure. The volume of a cone is equal to 1/3 the product of the area of the base and the height. It is given by the formula volume of cone is equal to 1/3 multiplied by pi r squared times h, where r is the radius of the base and h is the perpendicular height of the cone. Why 1/3? It is because the volume of a cone is 1/3 that of the volume of a cylinder. And now, let us try to solve this mathematical problem. A conical tent was pitched for backyard camping. Its base diameter is 3 4/10 meters and its height is 2 8/10 meters. How much air does it enclose? In solving word problems, don't forget Polya's easy steps in solving math problems. First, understand the problem. Second, plan what to do. Third, solve the problem. And last, look back and check your answer. Now, what is asked in the problem? Correct. How about the given data? In solving the word problem, we need to use the formula volume of cone equals 1/3 times pi r squared times h. Let us use pi equals 3 1400. Volume is equal to 1/3 times 3 1400 times 1 7200 times 2 8/10. Next, 1/3 times 3 1400 times 2 8900 times 2 8/10. Next, 1/3 times 25 4100. There you have 25 4100 divided by 3. The answer, 8 4700. In addition, the unit of measurement for volume is presented in cubic units. Hence, the complete answer is the tent encloses 8 47 cubic meters of air. You may also use this method. Now, let us state what is asked again. What are the given data? How about the formula used? And great! Our answer is correct. Before we continue with some of our activities, let us pause for a few reminders from our sponsors.